Ay mga kaibigan, DDS mag-ingay. Congratulations sa inyo! Dahil mga kaibigan, ngayon pong araw, inilabas po ng Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project or OCCRP, mga kaibigan, na noong 2017 po ay idineklara na si former President Rodrigo Duterte was named as the most corrupt Person of the Year. Nako, magsaya mga DDS. Ito mga kaibigan, kung gusto nyo pong i-check ito pong artikulo na ito, i-search nyo lamang po yung Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project at syempre makikita nyo na po yan online. Hindi po kami kagaya ng mga DDS na out of nowhere maglalabas po ng balita na wala namang pong facts. Ito po, may facts po to. Sabi po dito, in 2017, former President Rodrigo Duterte was named as the most corrupt person of the year, responsible for more than 1,000 extrajudicial killings and various violations of human rights. According to the Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project or OCCRP, Person of the Year Award points out and recognizes the people, particularly most politicians who did the most to wreak havoc around the world through organized crime and corruption scheme. This started in 2012 where OCCRP aimed to promote accountability by putting corrupt people in the spotlight and their political movements that contributed to crime and corruption cases. So, DDS, dito kayo mag-ingay, di ba? Sabi ko po ng OCCRP, Duterte has made a mockery of rule of law in his country, said Drew Sullivan, editor for the Organized Crime and Corruption Reporting Project and one of the 9 judges who made the selection from the nomination submitted by the journalists and the public. While he is not your typical corrupt leader, he has empowered corruption in an innovative way. His death squads have allegedly focused on criminals but in fact are less discriminating. He has empowered a Boolean system of survival of the fiercest. In the end, the Philippines are more corrupt, more cruel, and less democratic. Ay po mga kaibigan, para po kilalanin ng isang international organization mga kaibigan as most corrupt si dating Pangulong Duterte noong 2017, bigat po yan dahil internationally recognized. So, DDS, you must be proud. Hindi lang ICC, pati OCCRP. Palakpakan nyo naman. Sabi pa po dito, Duterte beat out 2 African strongmen for the title. South African President Jacob Zuma and the recently ousted Zimbabwean President Robert Mugabe were runners-up. Mantakin mo mga kaibigan, yung 2 strongman ng Africa, runners-up lang. DDS, magingay. Makikita po natin dito po sa kanilang corruption core, ayan po ang picture ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Makikita po natin, meron po silang mga listahan dito noong 2015, 2016 at noong 2017 nga po. Ang nakakuha po ng ganyang recognition ay si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Ayan mga DDS ganyan pag mag-uulat, hindi fake news, may facts dapat. Ilalagay ko yung link dyan sa comment section para makita ninyo kung saang artikulo mababasa po yan. Alright, ganyan tinuturoan namin kayo mga DDS. Hindi po yan katang-isip, hindi yan galing sa inyong imahinasyon lamang tapos gagawin yung content. Ganito, gumawa ng content based on facts. Ako po si Silver Voice TV. Ano po ang masasabi nyo dyan? Let me know.